With roof racks or crossbars installed on the roof of your Toyota, you can benefit from a range of rooftop attachments, including a bike holder. Available from your Toyota retailer, it's simple to install yourself. Before installing the bike holder on the roof, you should remove the rubber T-slot covers from your roof racks. With the bike holder on a flat surface, unlock the frame clamp located on the handle by lifting up the locking lever, twisting anti-clockwise to loosen it. Then move the handle forward. Note that two versions of the bike holder are available, for installation on either the left or the right sides of the vehicle. Lift the bike holder up to the roof. Locate the T-bolts on the underside of the bike holder. There are two in front and one in the back, and slide them into the T-slots on the roof racks. Lock the bike holder into place by tightening and then folding the locking levers down. Two in the front, one in the back. Before mounting the bicycle onto the holder, make sure the two wheel straps are folded out of the way. Now lift the bike and set it onto the holder. For the bike to be securely held, the tyre width must not exceed 8 cm, and the frame tubing must be between 2 and 8 cm in width. Next, move the handle to the rear position. Slide the frame clamp up or down to the correct height and rotate it to the correct position around the frame. Then, lock the clamp by lifting up the locking lever, twisting clockwise to tighten it, and folding it down. Lock and keep the key in a safe place. Finally, thread the straps through the wheels and into the buckles. Slide the rear strap forward or backward to fit the frame length and tighten the straps. To reduce wind noise, it's recommended to use the rubber T-slot covers as much as possible. Therefore, cut the rubber to the appropriate length. The bike holder may change the behavior of the vehicle on the road. For safety reasons, never drive faster than 120 km per hour with it installed, and make sure there's sufficient clearance when entering a parking garage. Remove the bike holder from the vehicle before entering a car wash or when it's not in use to reduce fuel consumption and wind noise. If you have any difficulty installing your bike holder, visit a Toyota retailer. There, you'll receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.